Welcome to our channel. We're excited to take you on a journey of reviving the past through the enchanting world of vintage furniture. Today, we'll show you how to transform these timeless pieces into stunning modern eco-art treasures that enhance any space. With a focus on sustainability, we'll explore creative techniques to breathe new life into furniture, ensuring that their unique stories continue to be told in innovative ways. In this video, you'll discover tips and tricks for upcycling, from choosing the right materials to applying artistic finishes. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting your crafting journey, our insights will inspire you to embrace sustainability while unleashing your creativity. Let's dive in and explore how to turn forgotten treasures into beautiful works of art. In an age where sustainability is paramount, the art of upcycling has taken center stage. Welcome to our exploration of how vintage furniture can be transformed into captivating modern eco-art treasures. This journey not only honors the craftsmanship of the past, but also embraces the creativity of the present. Vintage furniture possesses a unique charm that modern pieces often lack. With their intricate designs and rich histories, these items tell stories that resonate with many. Instead of discarding them, we can revive their beauty and functionality in innovative ways, turning them into art pieces that enhance contemporary spaces. Upcycling is the process of transforming discarded materials into products of higher value. It differs from recycling, which breaks down materials to create new ones. Upcycling allows us to celebrate the original craftsmanship while giving new life to furniture that might otherwise end up in a landfill. Consider transforming an old dresser into a statement piece by repurposing it with bold colors and artistic patterns. Adding a fresh coat of paint or decoupage can instantly modernize its appearance. Similarly, an antique chair can be revitalized with new upholstery that reflects current design trends. Hands-on techniques for upcycling vintage furniture include sanding, painting, and reupholstering. Sanding away the old finish not only prepares the surface, but also reveals the beautiful wood grain beneath. Painting allows for endless creativity. Choose a vibrant color for a cheerful vibe or a muted tone for a more sophisticated look. Incorporating eco-friendly materials into your projects is essential for sustainable design. Use water-based paints, organic fabrics, and non-toxic finishes to ensure that your creations are not only beautiful but also safe for the environment. This mindful approach to materials elevates your work and supports a healthier planet. Transforming furniture into eco-art requires an artistic vision. Consider integrating mixed media, such as textiles, metal, or glass, into your designs. By layering different materials, you create depth and interest, turning functional items into stunning works of art that draw the eye and spark conversation. Once your furniture is transformed, it's time to showcase your work. Create a designated space in your home or share it on social media to inspire others. Documenting the transformation process can engage your audience, inviting them to appreciate the craftsmanship and creativity involved in upcycling. Engaging in upcycling helps build a conscious community. When you share your eco-art creations, you inspire others to consider sustainability in their own lives. Hosting workshops or collaborating with local artists can further amplify the impact, fostering a culture of creativity and environmental awareness. Reviving vintage furniture aligns with a broader movement towards sustainable design. By choosing to upcycle, you're not only saving items from landfills, but also promoting a lifestyle that values creativity and resourcefulness. This approach challenges the throwaway culture and encourages mindful consumption. In conclusion, transforming vintage furniture into modern eco-art treasures is a rewarding endeavor that blends creativity with sustainability. Each piece tells a story, reflecting the past while embracing the future. So, gather your tools, unleash your imagination, and start your journey toward reviving the beauty of vintage furniture today. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you joining us on this journey of reviving the past and transforming vintage furniture into stunning modern eco-art treasures. Your support means everything to us. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more creative content, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who might also be inspired by the art of upcycling. Together, let's continue to explore the beauty of sustainability and creativity. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.